In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate in Canva. If you've ever needed to quickly switch your design text into another language, Canva's built-in translate tool makes it simple and efficient. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few helpful notes so your results look clean and professional. Start by opening the Canva project you want to translate. Once your design is on screen, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This opens Canva's app library inside your editor, so you don't have to leave your project. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type Translate. When you see the Translate app appear, select it to open its controls right within your design. Next, choose the language you want to translate to. This tells Canva where to send your text. Pick the language from the drop-down list, and make sure it matches your audience's preferences or the region you're designing for. Now you'll choose how much of your design you want translated. You can translate entire pages, which is great for multi-page presentations or documents, or you can choose Select Text from Current Page to work more precisely. If you go with Select Text from Current Page, you'll see checkboxes appear for the text boxes on your current page. Click the checkboxes for the exact elements you want to translate. This is helpful when you want to keep certain parts, like brand names or short taglines, in the original language while translating the rest. When you're confident with your selections and your target language, click Translate. Canva will process your request and update the text right inside your design. It aims to keep your fonts, colors, and basic styling intact, so your layout should remain familiar. If the translated text is longer and wraps to a new line, you can adjust text size or spacing to refine the look. After the translation appears, take a moment to review wording, punctuation, and any special terms. Proper nouns, brand names, and numbers often stay the same, so make sure they look correct. If something doesn't read quite right, you can edit the text directly in the canvas. And if you want to try different selections, use Undo to go back and run the translation again. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to Apps, search Translate, choose your language, decide whether to translate pages or selected text boxes, and click Translate. With those steps, you'll have a polished design in the language you need, ready to share.